In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickFunnels 2.0 video hosting. We'll walk through the full process of getting your course videos uploaded and ready to use inside your funnels or membership areas, starting right from your ClickFunnels dashboard. First, log into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account and head to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Take a moment to look through that sidebar and find the option called Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click that. This is where you manage a lot of the behind-the-scenes tools for your account. Once you're inside Workspace Settings, look at the left sidebar again. This menu will now show settings that are specific to your workspace. Find and click on My Assets. Think of My Assets as your library of files and media that you can reuse throughout your funnels. Inside My Assets, you'll see multiple tabs along the top. These might include things like images, documents, and other media types. For hosting videos specifically for your courses or membership areas, click on the tab labeled Course Videos. Now that you're in Course Videos, look for a button that says Upload Course Video. Click that to open the course video editor. Inside this editor, you'll see an area that says Click to select videos. Click on that text or that box, and a pop-up window will appear that lets you browse the files on your computer. From here, navigate to the folder where your course video is saved. Select the video file you want to upload, then click Open in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. The upload process will begin. Depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, this might take a little while, so just wait until the upload is fully completed. Once the upload is done, click on View Uploaded Videos. This will take you to a list of all the videos you've added. Find the video you just uploaded and click on it. That will open up the video editor. In the editor, you can change the video name to something clear and descriptive, which is really helpful when you have multiple videos later on. If you scroll down the page, you'll see a section where you can upload a poster image. This is the thumbnail that appears before your video plays. Click Select Image. A pop-up will open showing images you've already uploaded into ClickFunnels. You can choose one of those, or if you want to use a new image, click Upload Images and pick a file from your computer. After you've updated the video name and chosen your poster image, make sure to scroll down and click Update Video to save all your changes. And that's it. Your video is now hosted inside ClickFunnels 2.0 and ready to be used in your pages, funnels, or courses.